phenomenally beautiful day today. And I am embarking on a project to build new storage for this little zone that's before my bathroom. I'm gonna go get supplies, and then I'm gonna go to my brother's studio to use his saws. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be so much more functional. This is not functional as it is. But I'm gonna finish getting ready, and because I'm running late, and I'll do like a before and after. Oh, what a beautiful morning. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that it's starting to feel like spring. Okay, this is so embarrassing. This is the setup I have right now. It's tiny shelf, which was organized at one point, and then crate on top that I just jam everything in. Top, that is stuff I use regularly. Little painting. And then like my cleaning supplies are like wedged under the shelf. It's kind of a disaster. All right, check those out. I'm gonna get a snack on my way home and a little bit of coffee because I really want to stain these before it gets dark, and it is currently 4:47. Really, I should just go home, but it gets dark like at 6. So also, you know what? I could stain them in my room if I had to, but I am going to spray paint the brackets gold, which is kind of crazy, I know, but I think it'll maybe be awesome. I don't know. They're black right now. Is it crazy if I spray paint them gold? Will it be like really fugly? I don't know. I think I need a snack. That'll help me decide. They're kind of like, they're ornate. I think they'd be kind of cool. All right, TBD. It's getting dark. I don't have a light out. I've done one though. There it is. Oh God, it looks bad. Okay, it's the next night because I didn't have what I needed to finish yesterday. And then when I was putting it up today, I was so frustrated during the process that I didn't want to film. So here's my shelves. Wait, I have to just scoot a bunch of shit around. Here's how it turned out. Not very beautifully arranged, but it's much more functional than the previous space, which feels good. And I thought I was gonna put up 4, but I only ended up putting up 3. So I have an extra, which I'm going to put in my closet. And that's all.